Vyas, Product Marketing Manager at Asigra, and I'm here to talk to you today about Asigra's Agentless technology and its business benefits. When people talk about backups, the discussion ends up being about agents, their configuration, and management. But what if I told you you could perform your enterprise-level backups without using any agents, leveraging Asigra's Agentless technology? What does this mean for your enterprise? Let's take a look. In a typical enterprise environment that consists of multiple desktops, laptops, databases, enterprise applications, and virtual machines, in the traditional approach, you would need to install an agent, which is a piece of software on every one of the machines that you are looking to back up from. So the more the number of machines, the more the number of agents that you need to have installed. Not just do you need to install these agents, you also need to manage these agents, which can be a cumbersome and labor-intensive task. You also need a different kind of agent for every kind of virtual machine platform, physical operating system platform, enterprise application, or database. And frankly, managing these very different kinds of agents can be quite a nightmare in the heterogeneous environments that we have in our data centers today. You will need to upgrade the agents every time the underlying platform or application vendor issues an update. For this, you might need a person with advanced administrator skills to perform the upgrade. This is because the machine might need to be taken down for the upgrade to take effect, or it might need the machine to be rebooted. You might also face conflicts when the agent runs on an upgraded version of the underlying platform, and this can affect the recoverability of the data using the software. Backup agents also consume CPU resources, resulting in what is known as agent pollution. As the number of agents in your environment increase, this can drive up the demand for CPU resources multifold. This can reduce your system performance while driving up data center costs. Finally, but most importantly, you would need to open up a port in your firewall for each of these agents so that they can send backup data to the server. This can increase vulnerabilities in your data center environment, opening it up for attack from malicious software. Hackers just need to tap onto one of these agents to attack any one of your enterprise servers. In short, agent-based backup approaches reduce the recoverability and the security of your backup environments while driving up administrative and operational costs. In contrast, Asigra is agentless, which means that you don't need to install an agent on every one of the machines that you're looking to back up data from. You need just one instance of the Asigra software to be installed on any one of the machines on the network. That piece of software aggregates the data, deduplicates, encrypts, and compresses the data and sends it to the vault for storage. There are multiple advantages of this approach. First, there is just one piece of software to install and manage. This means that you no longer have complexity in the data center and all of its associated challenges. The Asigra software also upgrades itself, which means that there is no downtime, no administrative cost, and no manual effort that is associated with the upgrades. Asigra does not hog CPU resources. Further, technologies such as deduplication and encryption reduce storage and network requirements. The agentless architecture of the Asigra software ensures that a minimum number of ports are opened for backup and recovery operations. This reduces the risks to your infrastructure. Asigra also encrypts the data at source using a NIST FIPS 140-2 certified algorithm that ensures that your data is secure when it is traversing through public networks and when it is stored at the backup repository. Despite its simplicity, Asigra scales elegantly in both capacity and performance. This makes Asigra ideal for enterprises that have multiple data centers, offices, and systems. In short, the agentless Asigra software increases security while reducing demands on system resources, downtime, manual efforts, and administrative costs. Finally, but most importantly, recovery is everything. You only back up data so that you can recover it in times of need. Asigra contains recovery and restore assurance features such as autonomic healing, which ensures that your data is always recoverable. To know more about Asigra's agentless technology, visit us at www.asigra.com.